everyone, and good morning. Thanks for joining me and Charlie today. Today I have some gorgeous packs for sale. They are fabric flips and fabric clusters and an extra that I've thrown in. So I have 10 of these packs for sale. Let me show you what you'll get in a pack, and let me tell you all about them. So let me put these to one side just for a second. Now, I have been busy making fabric flips and fabric clusters and some scrap pads. So these are the packs, and in the pack you will get 3 of these fabric flips, which I'll show you in a minute, and they do have a fabric cluster on there as well. And I have made these lovely adorable scrap pads from old letters and book pages, ledgers, etc., just so that you can, these are so much fun because you know, you can take these with you, you know, if you're like going somewhere and you want to take some crafts with you, and then you can use the little bits and pieces to decorate your projects. And there's lots of, you know, different book pages, and that's from 1800 and something, that book. That's an old ledger from, I think, 1950s, something like that. And then you've got encyclopedias, and each one is different because obviously I've used up my scraps and made a little scrap pad from them. So each one of the packs has got one of these in. Now what I'm going to do is I will just pick 3 because I have so many of them and I don't want to, you know, do loads of videos on each set. So what I will do is just pick 3 at random, you know, at random. I'll just pick 3 out of the assortment that I have, and a scrap pad. So these 3 have already sold anyway, but you will get ones that are similar to this, you know, but different fabrics obviously, and different laces and different words, or some have got words on, some don't. So let me just show you what they are. They are these gorgeous fabric flips, and they have got, you know, different fabrics in there, and you can, you know, put that on your journal, use it as a flip, or you can glue it down and use it as a pocket. It is entirely up to you. This little fabric cluster comes off, so you could paper clip that onto your project or glue it down, or you could just use the ball pin that comes with it, and they all have little charms on as well. So each fabric flip has got a fabric cluster and also a little charm on it. So you will get 3 of these fabric flips, 3 of the clusters. So that's the cluster on this one, and it has all these different lovely laces and gorgeousness in there. And then this fabric flip has got lovely trim and some lovely fabrics, and this is this lovely velvety yumminess, just look gorgeous on a journal. And then these are just, obviously these ones have sold, but you will get a variety of, I've made loads of different ones. It's got a little lovely little clock charm on there, and just look at that, these lovely fabrics. So those are this set. So like I said, these ones have gone, but you will get a variety of different ones. Then you've got the scrap pads there. I'm just showing you the sort of flips that you will get. So that's one. And they have all got different trims, different laces. Like I said, some have got words, some don't. And you know, like the scrap pads are the same. They're all a variety of. I've tried to put a little bit of old ephemera in most of them, if I can. But it's really just using up lots. That's from an old book page. And so is that one. And you've got all different pages in here, and some coffee dyed paper, So that's the other scrap pad. And these flips, like I said, don't have words on. They've got the charm and the little cluster. And then you've got the fabric flip there. Christine, my lovely, if you are watching, these are the flips that are coming your way that you have purchased. And look, just this one has got some vintage lace in there and some vintage like a table place mat. Love that one. And then this one as well, which has got the gorgeous rose on there and a heart and some lovely yummy fabrics. And then you've got your fabrics there. So that is the second set. And then this is the third one. And like I said, you've got these old, really old book page there. These are so much fun, these scrap pads, and I will do a tutorial on how to make them. Not my idea. I've seen lots of people with the scrap pads. I've just made it a bit different, made it more my own, using my alphabet punch board by We Are Memory Keepers. So made it a little bit different. I think Nick the Booksmith has done a version, but hers has got a cover on it. I didn't make the cover, I just made mine short and then used my alphabet punch board. So I made it a little bit different, made it my own a little bit. Excuse me. And these ones have got silver charms on. Excuse me. And a gorgeous bow and some lovely laces and fabric. I love this one with the dragonfly and this gorgeous pink trim, and then got lace, lovely lace, and some gorgeous fabric. And this one has a lace border, and then these beautiful fabrics. Oh, come on. And then this is the third one. It's got a lovely, some have got buttons, some have got words and stapled on, and some have got brads. That's got a brad on it, and then a charm, and then these gorgeous fabrics. So that is what you will get in the pack. You will get 3 of these, which is a fabric flip and a fabric cluster. So you get 3 of those, and you will get a scrap pad like this, and they are £10 a pack. That includes postage to the UK, but if you're outside of the UK, you have to let me know and I'll have to find out how much it is to post. So these are £10 a pack, a real bargain, everybody. So come and grab yours and let me know. So just leave a comment below or email me at the email address in the description, and I'll let you know if I've got any left, because I've got 10 sets still left. So just let me know. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.